Gamora, daughter of Thanos.
I am not the daughter of Thanos!
Hey, would you two keep it down over there? I know, they're so inconsiderate. According to them, you're not Groot, you're a Flora Colossus. Don't listen to her. You wanna know what they call you, Rockin? I know what they call me. Genetic experiment. Who wants to fight my fist? I thought you'd be more upset about the rodent department. Ain't nothing in the universe like being sent me.
That is precisely what he is in my life. He is ultimate tools for escaping from every prison that ever tried to hold him. While I have wired each cage with unimaginable power, coming directly from my massive generator, which powers the entire complex and will keep them in perpetual suspension. now you can too. But first, you must have clearance. You need to scan your biosigns.
Painless procedure.
And then a simple wave of your hand will be your passport into my inner sanctuary. You will be well taken care of.
I want to use the ultra stuff. That's me.
Indeed. I apologize for not being in person. I'm sure I will see you very soon.
Ultron Sentry.
Welcome, distinguished guests. Most comprehensive assemblage of artifacts and relics.
Single file line from the ball, then empty space to the left hand side over that yellow line.
Raise your hands for security clearance. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Taneleer Tivan's private office.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office. I know. Where I carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy.
You guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ouch! What was that? Was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rockin, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But that won't work unless you come. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Take a step back from the door. Take a step back. Step back.
No problem.
Okay, raise your hands for clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Alright, Terrence, hold on to your loose items, such as hats, glasses, bags, purses, helmets, helmets, tips, and reads. Anything you wish to keep in your collection. And there's no flash photography or video recording on it.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rockin unplugs you and starts things rocking. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance, let's roll.
Why are you thinking of me? Mary stepped there. They did nothing. We did all the fighting. They did not help us at all. Should be thanking me. Thanks,
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the gantry of goods. Let all the creatures out! We trust your tour was interesting and look forward to seeing you again.
That is insane. No line, straight walk on in Guardians. It is 2:15 in the afternoon, and you can walk straight into the collection. Like, that's crazy. So let's go on it again.
No line right now.
Insane.
Basically a walk.